Practice patience. Good things come to those who wait. Learn to let go of what no longer serves you. It makes room for new blessings. Embrace uncertainty. It's the birthplace of endless possibilities. Find balance in all aspects of your life. It leads to harmony and fulfillment. Face challenges with courage and resilience. They're opportunities for growth. Be mindful of your thoughts, for they shape your reality. Keep an open heart and mind. It allows for deeper connections and understanding. Invest in experiences over possessions. They create lasting memories. Follow your intuition. It knows the way, even when the path seems unclear. Treat others with kindness and respect. It's a reflection of your character. Practice active listening. It fosters deeper, more meaningful relationships. Take responsibility for your actions and choices. It empowers you to create your own destiny. Find joy in the little things. They're often the sweetest moments in life. Be adaptable. Bend with the winds of change rather than resisting them. Learn to say no without guilt. It's a form of self-care and boundary setting. Seek out opportunities for growth and learning in every situation. Practice forgiveness, both for others and for yourself. It frees you from the past. Remember that setbacks are temporary. Keep moving forward with resilience. Prioritize your mental health and well-being above all else. Express gratitude for the journey, even when the road is rough. Choose love over fear in every decision. It leads to a life filled with abundance. Be present in each moment. It's where true happiness resides. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and wonder about the world around you. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. They're milestones on your journey. Find solace in nature. It has a healing power like no other. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you would offer a friend. Honor your boundaries and advocate for your needs. Self-respect is paramount. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. They'll fuel your journey. Remember that you are worthy of love, happiness, and success, just as you are. Trust in the timing of your life, everything unfolds exactly as it should. If you liked the message of this video, leave your comment, writing which quote you liked the most. There are other messages from other authors that you will certainly like to see and reflect on.